Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make moringa with dal. First, let's prepare our dal. Begin by washing 1 cup of tor dal very well under running water. This helps remove any impurities. Next, soak the dal in about 2 cups of fresh water for at least 30 minutes. Soaking helps the dal cook more evenly and quickly. After soaking, drain the water completely and set the dal aside. Now let's get our moringa ready. Take about 2 cups of fresh moringa leaves, clean them thoroughly and chop them finely. In a pressure cooker, combine the soaked dal with 3 cups of water and a small pinch of turmeric powder. Cook for 2 whistles. Once the pressure releases, carefully open the cooker and stir in the chopped moringa leaves. Continue cooking the dal and moringa mixture on a medium flame until the moringa leaves become tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. While that simmers, let's prepare a flavorful tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Once they splutter, add 1/4 cup of chopped onions, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 green chili. Sauté the tempering ingredients until the onions turn a lovely golden brown and the raw smell of garlic disappears. This step adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. Carefully pour this hot, aromatic tempering directly over your cooked moringa dal. Stir everything gently to combine. Finally, garnish with a handful of fresh, chopped coriander leaves. Serve your delicious and nutritious moringa dal warm with steamed rice or roti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.